What's up, guys? It's December 3, 2015, and let's get Vlogmas number 3 started. So first off, I was just out here, and then I see a cat right on the... Look, watch this. Right there. I just saw the cat right there. Kitty. I don't know, I haven't seen it before. So, today I don't think we're gonna do nothing as well, because it's already December 3. I have finals like in 2 weeks. It's really updating. I'll wait till my family gets back, and the vlog will actually start. We're watching the game, Club America against Pumas, Mexican League. He's looking at himself at the camera. He's trying to find it. ¿Cuál es? Ni tiene.
Pero están bien suaves.
Oye, mami, la secadora.
Para caminar tan especial. ¿Qué? Suaves, dije, no rico.
Como con tortilla de harina. That was kind of a boring day. We didn't really do that much. So like, comment, subscribe for more videos. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.